Welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, DESI ASTRO, and in this Python tutorial we will be learning how to put a legend in plot in a horizontal direction or on a horizontal line. So by default our legend becomes vertical or in a column wise. So you can put it in a row, or maybe you can put in a mixture of row and column. So for doing that we need to type command called in column, which stands for the column, and you have to give number equal to your number of plots. So in our case there are 3 plots, so you can give 3, and you can see that your legends have been plotted on a line. You can also put column equal to 2 and see what happens. So this time your legends have been plotted on a two column and 2 rows. You can also put it 1, and this time they have only single column. So this way you can do, and you can also change the local OC and give number from 0 to 10. So I will give 0. So this will go to best location, and you can check it, say 5. You can check it 3. Okay, so this way you can also control the location of your horizontal legend. So I hope this video has helped you to gain insight about how to put your legend outside your legend in a horizontal line, or how to change the location. Thank you.